So, how to fix Instagram story views problem. Hello guys, if you have any problem with Instagram story views, if you have a glitch or not showing or anything like this video is gonna be helping you a lot. So keep watching until the end. First thing you have to do is you need to go to the Play Store and then go to the search bar right here and search for Instagram. And then make sure that you have the last version of Instagram. If you don't have it, then you have to click here on update. After that, all what you have to do is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps. And now all what you have to do here is go to the apps again and go to Instagram. And now click here on force stop. Now after you click on force stop, go back, and this time you need to go to the wireless and networks. Enable the airplane mode easily and disable it again. And then reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.